Alright, and welcome to part 3 where I'm going to show you how you can use Google Drive to get your work into Google Classroom. And the nice thing about Google Classroom for a teaching standpoint is it gives you a copy of the student work at the time that they turned it in. So whatever they turned in is what they're done with, and so they can't go back and edit it like you could in Google Drive. So after you went from the class wiki page where you got your information about where the assignment and where you can turn it in. So let's say that they refer back to the wiki page for the link to turn it in. So I have the link right here. And then so if the student would use that link, it would take them here where they are able to open up the Constitution project. And from there, they're able to add from either Google Drive a link, or they can have a file from their own computer, which works really well if they didn't want to use Google Drive. But since I've been using Google Drive for this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to do that. So if we click on Google Drive, and this is the thing I like about it, is it makes it super easy to put a presentation into the teacher's hands. It's basically just a Dropbox, but it makes it super simple on the teacher and for the students, since they don't have to worry about things not being compatible as they're both Google, and so they can turn it in. Yep, so student turns in their work before the deadline hits, and so I'm going to go to the teacher half, where as the teacher I'm going to be able to look at the student's work as a copy. So I'm in the teacher version, and so let's see here. If I go to here and I look at the Constitution project, I can see that I have one submission, and obviously if you had more students you would have more than one submission, and you will have many different types of submissions, as if you remember from here, when I entered it as a student I was able to do many different things. So if they did their project in a different way, such as a paper or a video, they would be able to do it from just a file upload, and from that I'd be able to get it from here as the teacher. And so if I click on it, it will take me to whatever it is that they made. If there was a video, I'd be able to watch it. If it's a paper, I'd be able to read it, and since this one is a presentation, I am able to view it. And obviously for demonstration purposes, this presentation isn't full, but I'd be able to go through each slide and be able to grade it that way. Another nice thing is you can grade from here. That's one thing that I think is nice about it. So let's say I thought this was worth an 87. I would give it an 87. And so the student would then be able to check their grade. And that's one thing I like about it. It kind of makes it easy so students can view things from from their teacher right away, pretty much. And so that is the conclusion of the web tools tool use. I hope this was informational about how you can use many different tools to work together, from going from a wiki page to posting classroom information, and then from that you'll be able to put an assignment out there that they'll use Google Docs and Google Docs and Google Drive, and be able to upload like a video, a PowerPoint, or make a paper, depending on the type of project that they prefer to do. And from that they're able to submit it into a Google Classroom Dropbox, and from there yourself as the teacher are able to grade it. And it's easy. It's a very quick and easy process. It works really well together, and that is it. Thank you.